Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to upgrade to Trim Premium. Are you thinking about getting more out of Trim app? Well, Trim Premium offers powerful features like bill negotiation, medical bill help, and a personal financial coach. And upgrading is super easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and log into your account, and then on the home screen or from the menu, just tap on Premium or Upgrade to Premium. You'll be taken to a screen showing all the benefits of Trim Premium. Take a moment to review what's included, like subscriptions, cancellations, debt payoff plans, and 24/7 access to your personal financial coach. It also includes help with negotiating bills, credit monitoring, and many more. When you're ready, just tap subscribe or upgrade now button. Trim will prompt you to enter your payment details, such as your debt or credit card information. You'll also see the monthly or annual pricing, so you know exactly what to expect. After confirming your payment, you'll instantly unlock all of Trim's premium features. You may also get a welcome message or even instant access to services like bill negotiation or financial coaching. And that's it. You successfully upgraded to Trim Premium and now have powerful financial tools right at your fingertip. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to access medical bill negotiation with Trim. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out that video. And also tap the bell so you don't miss the next step in your money saving journey. That's pretty much it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.